Survey the scene.
Yes, emergency action principle. Use survey the scene 360 degrees. Check front, back, top, down, left, right. Smell, hear, and feel. Okay? Scene is safe. That's the moment I would approach. But before I approach, I would say PP is on. There. In approaching your patient and introducing, you must kneel. Luhod. Why? Because your patient is lying down. It would be rude to introduce standing up. Sir, ako din si Aljon. Diba? So, you kneel? Sir, I'm Aljon D. Villarias, a trained first aider. I can help. What happened? Makatabang ko kung sa'yo na itabo. And make sure asa tamuluhod is shoulder ni patient in between sa ato ang legs. So let's say patient is unresponsive, asa ko mananghid.
Sa audience.
So sa bystanders. Audience yun.
Audience.
So, bystander. Ma'am, nga nakaputi, nga nagtabang siyang bill. Ako din si Aljon. Basta ka first aider, makatabang ko. Ang saan yun tabo? Wala. So, muhikap ko sa pasyente, mga. Okay, next is, ano man? Primary assessment. Boom. Check alert. Responsive to voice, pain, and you can decide if the patient is unconscious or unresponsive. How do you check? Is you tap the shoulders 3 times and shout. Sir, are you okay? Ma'am, are you okay? Kung Bisaya, sir, okay ra ka? Bisag in English, lagyan mo ng okay ra ka, di ba? Sir, are you okay? Okay? Make sure you adjust to your patient. If you can see your patient is a foreigner, lain sa kayog mag-Tagalog ka, sir. Ayos ka lang ba? Di ba? You will do it twice lang. Because we are, saman, after the time. Because how many minutes? Pila gani? 2 minutes. We need to revive the patient for 2 minutes. So, in tapping the shoulders is, kusog siya. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Patient is unresponsive. Sir, naka-orange, kanay name tag, nameplate. Sir, pwede ka manawag sa Philippine Red Cross 143. Nata sa Montebello, behind Country Mall. Natay patient diri o sa Kabuok. Unresponsive, around 50 to 59. Palihog og tawag og ambulance and at the same time, palihog niyo nila. Bring AAD. Kung wala gani, kindly arrange a transport vehicle. And kindly leave your number sa ilaha para makatawag sila sa imuha balik. Sir, iniglang ka nimo balik niya sir kay may nginahanglan ko sa imong tabang. Okay? Taas ya pero quick. Ngano man, we need exact details kung asa mo. Kay pareha ato ang among girespondihan nga walay umi kibaw. It took time, nagtuyok kami sa Fuente Circle. Kailangan specific ta, kung na landmark tupad ni sa Jollibee, diri sa Mango Avenue, kanang padulong kasud Rain Tree Mall. So at least makibaw mi asa dapit ang dalan, asa mi musulod, para kibaw sad mi asa mi mo gawas. Be specific. So after giving our instructions is next is check ABC. In doing ABC, di ba ang sa una is we LLF, di ba? Look, listen, and feel. Karon kay we need quickness or kailangan nato ang oras. So, we will just look. Dili na ta mo yuko, but we will just look, listen, and feel. Okay? But first, in opening the airway. For adults, we will do maximum head tilt chin lift. When we say maximum is bahangaron jud siya o maayo. In lift or in tilting the head, we would relax our elbow or rest our elbow sa floor. And then our palm forehead. Our other hand is raise, assist. Unconscious patient, mo open na ang ilahang mouth the moment we maximum head tilt chin lift. And then aga. Check mouth, nose, airway is clear. Mouth and nose is clear. Next, we would check BC na siya. Breathing and circulation. Automatic. So, gikan check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the patient has no pulse and breathing. Sa sunod button? Perform CPR. So, if our patient is male, pwede tamo buhat ani. But if our patient is female, locate the xiphoid process and then put automatic lock and perform CPR. By doing CPR, look at the eyes or the face of your patient. Okay? Ready to count? Count with me. Ready? Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Automatic. Look at. Release the nose after giving rescue breath and then release. Then continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4.
Okay, continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.
Okay, continue. Rescue breath. Let go. Yeah, automatic. Reassess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The patient has pulse but not breathing. Unsay sunod? Not breathing. Has pulse. Proceed to? Okay, proceed to rescue breathing. Let's start. 1, 1002, 1003, 1001.
1, 1002, 1003, 1002. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004. 1, 1001, 1003, 1005. 1, 1001, 1003, 1006. 1, 1002, 1003, 1007. 1, 1002, 1003, 1008. 1, 1002, 1003, 1009. 1, 1002, 1003, 1010.
Okay, the patient cough. If there is spontaneous signs of life, on sa sunod button, you would reassess first. Check A, B, C. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the patient has pulse and breathing. What's next?
Recovery.
Sige na. Sir, ito sir. Pwede ikaw.
Sa mukha.
Okay, relax na. Okay, relax na sir. Ayaw lang pa. So, recovery position. What are you gonna do is, imo sang unahon ang kamot nga layo sa imo nga. Which is, imo siyang agakon. Agakon imo. Relax na sir. Relax na ba? Relax na ba? Ana. Okay, imo siyang i-position dire. Next is, kanina po. But in doing so, panangid ha? Nangid. Sir, ako iisa imong kamot, doon si mong uluhan. Na lang sir ha, relax lang. Sir, akong kuhaon ang farthest leg. Yes, agad. Relax na siya. Relax, relax, relax. So, after that is inform your patient, sir. I will roll you or iligid ka. Padulong na ko. Asa tamo kupot is shoulder and hips. Okay? Sir, na count of 3, ligid ta. 1, 2, 3, roll. Next is, ipusunin mo ang kamot. Saluyo. And ang tingin is, relax na siya. Gahiya sa Toski kayo. Next is, let's do our sample. But before ka mo sample, paila-ila ka balik. Sir, ako din si Aljun, usa ka trained first aider. Ako din ang nagtapang nimo. Sir, unsa din itabo nimo, sir? Ay, amang mo din ang pasyente din. Sir? Unsa din itabo, sir?
Kita yung tanda ko.
Magkaon.
Ang bystander na lang ako pangutanon. Ma'am, unsa din itabo ni sa pasyente, ma'am?
Magkaon. Wala ka nyo magkaon.
Nagana na pa kay? So, ayaw kalimot sa sample. Sir, unsa imong gipamati, sir? Unsa yung mga sakit-sakit sa imong lawas, sir? Okay? Mao na siya ang symptoms. Kaya ang signs kay ikaw naman ang tan-aw. Next is, sir, naka-allergies, nakigimitin nga tambal, naka mga medical history, sir, na hospital ka or nasakit ba ka ni aging semana or pila ka buwan. Unya, sir, unsa imong nakaon, sir? Minom, katapusan nimong libaw, katapusan nimong pagpangihi. And lastly is, unsa imong gibuhat, sir, so wala pa ni nahitabo. That is sample. And in this position, pwede na ka mag head-to-toe examination. So, ang usa, pwede siya mo support sa patient. And then, sir, may ikap ko si ulo, sir, ha? Okay? No blood, no dots. Sir, may ikap ko si tangkugo. No blood, no dots is the same. Or pwede na ito ang tulo kamot. Ang usa, pa-up. Ang usa, going down. No blood, no dots. Same yapon. No blood, no dots until sa ubos. Oh, pwede na yapon. Take no type. Naka-libang si patient. Okay? Any questions? Abdi ka ni sir sa paa. Manangit yapon ta. Sir, may ikap ko sa likod siya. Same. Down. Ang iyong munahon is ang layo sa imo lang. So, ang twisting siya. No blood, no dots. No blood, no dots. Anto na dito. Kaya bubuo na nga sa panos. Okay? Mga pangutana pa? Nya, let's say, uncomfortable si patient, pwede na ito i-ligid. What if nabali? Then, ano sa'yo nabali? Asa nabali ni sir?
Split mo.
Split sa nimo.
Split. Splitting.
Split ka.
Splitting.
Split. Then, di rin mo siya i-roll. But pwede ni mo siya ma-roll if stable na siya. Pwede man ni mo siya gitawag na tog anatomical splits. Dikit na siya. Dili na siya malihok. So pwede na siya ma-roll. Side lying position. Muna na siya ang atong gitawag og combination na siya sa medical o trauma emergency. Nakuyapan o nautangan panimuot si pasyente pero naa di siya sa hagdanan. Nagligid-ligid na si pasyente. Combination of medical and trauma emergency. Okay? Next is, for example, trauma. Most likely, dili na to lihokon si pasyente. It depends on the case yapon. So, example, sir, nabali siya, pero natagak siya from a fall. When there is impact, there would be, isa man, suspected head and spine injury. Gamay lang lihok, it could kill your patient. Or it could paralyze your patient. So take note, if trauma, and there is impact, saan? What? We would use spine board in carrying the patient. Do not move the patient. Okay? So for children, sila kabutang, neutral plus head tilt chin lift. Si sir na lang ako pasyente, sir. Relax na, sir. Ika naman yun ang nihigat. So for a child is, relax na, sir. Kalma lang. Wake up kasi nito. Huwag siya magunggan, sir. So, tip of the nose, and then whole of the ear. To make it neutral is to see, align ang nose ug ang bangag sa dunggan ni sir, which is align na siya. Di na nako kailangan lihokon. Ang button is support na lang while doing chest compression. For children, it's one hand. Usara ka kamot. Then 1, 2, 3. Mano na siya. Okay, thank you, sir. So for kids, for children is one hand, support. Support the head. Kani siya, dili man siya level. So, ako na siya, ihangan kamay. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same principle. Okay? Kuhara? So you are giving ample time mo recoil ang dugan. So press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ang akong weight, gilap na akong elbow, my weight is here, not on the head. Ang neutral is, akong malikon, bangag sa dunggan sa pasyente o tumoy sa ilong sa pasyente. So for babies,
Kung para ang positioning niya ba? Dari, o dapat.
sige, kay mama mo. Wala, di mo siya kawamukupot ang bata in town. Ano lang si... Ano lang si ma'am? Kaya
Asawa mo yung anak siya, wala anak.
So, in getting the baby from the mother is, unsa man nato pagkuha? Ay, anaon. Anaon? Sige na.
Anak mo ang kaning una.